May 7, 2012. It's Justice Done Dirt Cheap, sharing some information you may not have thought about before. Most people don't think of legal matters until it's basically too late, and you're in the thick of it. The Justice Done Dirt Cheap blog was set up as an information source for people, so you can get a heads up of legal procedures and how they operate. Also, so people can understand my story and motivation, and many other self-represented litigants, why we got involved in this in the first place. Going along the walking trail here, seeing some other nature enthusiasts. So, getting back to the blog, one of the reasons why Justice Done Dirt Cheap was set up was to provide information to those self-represented individuals who decide to take on the fight. Sometimes it's a good fight, sometimes it's not, but I commend anyone who's tried. It's an arduous task, and any help we can get is a big help. What's interesting is the Canadian Judicial Council has made an information pamphlet which actually says that Court of Queen's Bench, Court of Appeal, and Provincial Court are supposed to be providing information to self-represented litigants, information on procedural matters, as in, these are the documents that need to be filled out if you're interested in accomplishing a certain procedure. The court is not supposed to give legal advice or to tell one the contents of what the information is, but only where to fill the information in the forms, how to properly format the documents, things of that nature. Unfortunately, in New Brunswick, I haven't seen a lot of that. Not for Court of Queen's Bench anyway. I haven't really seen it in my experiences in Court of Appeal either. So the people at the office for the Court of Appeal are very helpful in providing procedural information. I gotta say, they do a great job. On the other hand, offices for the Court of Queen's Bench Trial Division, and I've been to a few of them, attempting to get procedural information and just basic procedural instruction, which they are supposed to provide. And unfortunately, they're very, what I call, afraid of providing legal advice. And they often refuse to provide any information whatsoever and just say, go look at the rules of court. It's all there. And it's true. Most of the information we need is in the rules of court, but unfortunately, if you've never actually been through these procedures before, it's like reading Greek. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense until you've actually seen examples of what the documents should look like when they're properly filled out. And that's one of the things that's available on the Justice Done Dirt Cheap blog, examples of documents that other self-represented litigants have filed, which were accepted by the court, which means they were correctly formatted for court purposes. So anyway, so I want to let everyone know that Justice Done Dirt Cheap, the blog spot, Justice Done Dirt Cheap, blogspot.com, and the scribe page has many documents that can be quite useful if you're ever wondering what these court documents are supposed to look like. Examples of them are actually at the blog, and they're at the scribed page, and they may be described in the videos from the Justice Done Dirt Cheap YouTube channel. So anyways, that's all for today. Thought I'd share some information with everyone out there in YouTube land. It's Fredericton, New Brunswick, Canada. Wishing you a great day. Thank you.